everybody? It's a blue day. Everything is blue. I don't know what happened. It just happened to be blue days. This is Bo. Bo is here. Today I'm working on the power bank. Installing, wiring, plan everything. Where everything's gonna be, where the switch is gonna be. This is probably the hardest part in the van build, the most like tedious work. It takes a lot of time. We have to plan it right, do it right connection, right wiring size and stuff like that. Anyways, I want to introduce you to the power system, the battery banks we use for this van. Of course, you can see it's all Victrons, Energies, and the Batterborn system this time. Start from over there. I have a MPPT solar charger. That's a 30 amp solar charger. We are going to have a 400 watt solar panels on the top. Next to that is the Orion TR Smart DC to DC charger, and that's a 30 amp, and it says both of those systems are smart, meaning you can control it from your the app on your phone. And so as the this is the inverter slash charger, 3000 watt multiplus. This one also, we are going to have a wireless dongle, and it's also managed by your Bluetooth wireless. There you go. And then I have a 3 Batterborn 100 amp batteries. These are the new models that just came out not too long ago. What's different about these are, you know how sometimes you go in the cold, in the snow, and your phone battery dies just like that, right? And it's the same as lithium battery. They don't like the cold. Okay, so when it's cold, it cuts off the power. It goes dead, stop charging. Well, these are built-in heaters. Okay, these Batterborns has a heater built in. You can see, let's see if you can see a little bit from over there. This little screw right here is the heater. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect that screw. It comes with a kit right here. We connect it to a switch. We can turn it on and off when it's not we're not in a cold area. We don't need to turn on that heater. We're gonna go ahead and switch it off, and then when it's we're in a cold area, we want to turn it on, keep the battery heated. That way it's charged all the time, and yeah, it's not going dead on you. What else here? The Multiplus here has a 120 amp charger. So when you plug into the wall or from the outside the campsite, it has 120 amp charging capacity, so it's gonna charge a battery really quick. The DC to DC charger, that is connected to your starter battery, and then when your engine is running, it also will charge the battery. So we do have a 3 sources charging on the system as well. One is from the outside, from either generator or the house power campsite. 2 is from the DC to DC, your engine, and the 3rd one is from your solar panel, 400 watts. So that should provide plenty of charging power, and 300 amps of this lithium Batterborns should handle. Because we are going to have an DC 12 volt AC on the top. So it's gonna run on the 12 volt, and minimum requirement for that is 150 amps. In this case, we are having 300 amp hours, so that should be plenty. We'll see. But we do have extra room just in case we do need more power than this. Then we can add another battery. Alright, with that being said, I'm going to take some time, do a lot of planning, do a lot of wiring, and it's boring stuff. So I will see you in a bit. I'm now installing the roof rack. You'll need 18 of these washers on each side. It's hot right now to go on the roof installing the brackets, the racks, and the air condition. So I'm just doing all the boring stuff inside right now, and you can see it's messy right now. We're in the middle of a mess. This rack is also from Flatline, and it's very easy to install, and it makes it look beefy, and you can mount your solar panels just like that one. I finish up the wiring for this for my AC here. I run the wire, you can see, through there, and then goes behind the wall right here, and with the wire loom, and then comes out right here from inside the wall, and then I strip it right here. One split into the negative, which goes to the negative bus bar right there, and the positive side goes to the fuse, and then comes out this side to the positive bus bar right here. Alright, let's switch that to on real quick, and then let's go turn it on and test it out. Okay, on. Oh, there you go, power, and we're supposed to, okay, so it's on auto at 62 degrees, so it's gonna blow cold air until we get 62 degrees in here, and then it will slow down. There you go, you can hear that air blast coming out from, oh man, that's a lot of air. Oh yes, it's cold air. Let's get the camera out of the air right there. Yeah, you can hear that's a strong. You can test it right here. You can see that. Alright guys, that's a 5 minutes run, and it's good. Really cold air right now here. Okay, that's good enough. Let's go ahead and turn it off. I think to turn it off, you're gonna press that and hold until the green light and the blue light goes out. There, and then it'll slow down itself, and then we'll shut off. There you go. Now that we're done with the AC unit and the fan on here, I have some space up here. My plan is to fit 4 of these solar panels up here. These are Renogy 100 watt solar panels, and they are very compact size. This rack here, roof rack here, comes with I think 6-7 of these. These are a 1x2 aluminum extrusion, painted. Really durable, super strong. It has the 2 channel. So my plan is to put them across like this, and then lay the solar panel on top of it with the 90 degrees angle, and then screw from the top to save me some space. Let's see if I have enough space to do that. And that's what I'm going to focus on. So what I'm doing is I'm marking where my channel is going to be when I place this on it. This is a 1 inch by 1 inch aluminum angle. It's a 1/8 thickness. So when I put it here, this is where my panel is gonna go. It's like this, sitting on it, and I'm going to put 2 of these bolts attached with the panel that way, and then I'm drilling these holes. Put 3 of these holes in here, and then I'm going to run this T-nut that looks like this, and then screw from the top with my 6mm. So the T-nut's gonna go this, like so, and then through the hole it's gonna screw down to the T-nuts. So I will have 3 of each one, because my panel is going to, on the middle part, is going to sit on this really close to each other, like this. And then what these are for the front and the back side. The middle part is gonna be a joint this way, but I will show you how that's gonna be done. But these are just for the front and the back. It's a challenge, there's no doubt about it, but it can be done. Because I have just enough space between there and back here, so I cannot have another one of these for this to sit on. So what I'm doing is I join these 2 together and put 2 screws right here, down here, and then just join between the 2 right here with the aluminum angle. Okay, you guys, it's getting dark, but you can see I got most of it done. It looks so nice, but we'll finish up in the morning. But this episode ends right here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for following along. I hope this episode gives a lot of information. I will see you the next episode. Please share, give me thumbs up and subscribe. See you later. Alright, boys and girls, don't do this at home. Normally this is the AC unit. It's that heavy. Hold on, that should put on the stairs. They have a forklift to put this up on the roof. Now we have human lift. This is what happens when you don't have the forklift. There goes my most expensive unit of the build. Okay, climb up with the